All right, today I am going to replace my 2019 Yamaha MT09 rear tire. It's got a slow leak on it. I plugged it, lasted for a while, but it's leaking out. So I've got to replace that with this one right here. It's a Dunlop. I think I paid $110 for it. We'll see how long it lasts. Man, I'm gonna need some leverage. No problem. There's my pipe. Works every time. First thing I gotta do is take this thing off. Alright, it's off like that. We gotta disconnect it from its wiring. See if I remember how to do that. I don't. That's what YouTube is for, right? And I think it slides to disconnect. Oh, okay, we're definitely gonna need this. Don't lose that, folks. Little spacer goes in there. How do we disconnect that? Should just be there. We go.
It's tax-free weekend, so I ended up getting, and then I ordered an extra shirt. So he got an extra shirt.
Extra shirt?
Another shirt.
There we go. First thing we gotta do is break this seal, folks. Well, no, the first thing we gotta do is let the air out. We're gonna take that stem out. Now let's see how the C-clamp works. Breaking the seal here. Wow, that does not want to go. I got one side broken free off the seal. The other side of the tire, when I start to close the C-clamp in, of course it's going to give on the side that's already broken free. All right, I got the other side. What I did was I braced this part up against the wheel, and I've got this towel here to protect it. Hopefully it didn't mess it up, but we did it. Put our protectors down. Alright, let's try this one. That's what this one's for, huh? Nope, that's not gonna work. Got that side. All right, I'm here to tell you that was pretty easy. That was pretty easy, but the hard part's yet to come. Put this on here like this. Get this first part started. here to tell you that's not that bad. That's a doable job. All right, let's get the new tire. Yep. All right. That way we want to have it like this, right? There you go. Okay. All right, now this should be pretty easy to get this on. I'm going to lube this up. I'm tired of paying people $40 to do this. Wow, that was easy. Oh, we forgot to line this up. There, dots with the stem. All right. So, here we go, folks. Let's give it a try. I'm just gonna walk it toward the front. Protect it in here like that. I'm gonna hold this in place while I get this side in. Hopefully I won't get smacked in the face, but there are no guarantees. There you go. Hold that in place for a second. I'm going to try to take a bigger bite off here. Wish me luck. Okay, got that in there. Yep. We forgot to lube it up. Yeah, let's add some more lube. Here we go. Over here like this. Yeah, this, as you can see, this is going to be the hardest part, but let's just keep working at it. Let me get this back in here. This is going to be the hardest part, folks. More lube. This is where this is the part where that short one's not going to work too well. But I'm going to see if I can keep that on there like that. Nope. It doesn't want to do that. All right. Oh, this fucker wants to come out. That's got to stay there. It's not going to want to. It's going to want to hit me in the face. Okay. Resist the urge to take off too much, huh? Yeah. Oh, God. Oh, don't you dare, don't you dare. Oh! Yeah. Oh, it's the hardest part. Oh, it's the hardest part. Come on, you gotta get up there. There you go. Yep. Hold this while I do this. Alright. Got it. That's good. Now I'm going to want to keep these in place. Now you're going to look at that. Let's do that. Now I've got this one here. And oh, I really need a third hand. Oh. 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 So yeah, this is the hardest part. The trick is keeping these in place. Excuse my language. That's really the trick. Pull you out if I can. Get you over here if I can. Don't bite off too much. You think we got it? Maybe. Maybe. I think one more. That'd be a miracle. Yep, there's a lube. Keep forgetting about that lube, I know. Right now, I'd gladly give somebody $40 to do this. Gladly. You need another crowbar. I don't have one. This will not do you any good at this last part of the tire to get on the rim. So don't buy these off Amazon, guys. Don't do it. I gotta get this one out first. Got it on. Scarred up my rim. Lots of fun, folks. Lots of fun. See that, folks? I bent my rim. Not worth it. And yeah, I got a front tire to do, but guess what? I'm not gonna do it. I've got one of those cheap card tire gauges. I doubt if there's gonna be enough pressure to fill this up, but let's give it a shot.